Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm audible. Okay. Yes. Yes, sure. Cool. So, today we will be discussing complete Nmap. We will be discussing Nmap from very basics to up to whatever thing we can cover in Nmap. We will be trying to cover each and everything which is related to Nmap today. And this will be the complete Nmap course. Today we will be trying to finish each and every aspects of Nmap. And then we will be moving to some other tools. Tomorrow also, I will be trying to have a session of around 2 hours, so I we can deal with a Metasploit tomorrow. So that's how we'll be proceeding. Okay. So hope everyone have installed Kali Linux already, right? Everyone have done with installation of Kali Linux. Everyone. Okay, okay, cool. Yes. Installation of Kali is quite good, and hope you all are. Yes, Kubir. Yes. Okay, I think a recording of each and every session is available in your group. You can check to that. And if you are not finding the group, you can text me on a WhatsApp. I will be sending you the recorded link. Don't worry about that. You will be Yes, only the installation part and two more sessions have been done. This session combines few more batches also. Like in this, the students from two batches are available, from Kali Linux and Fundamentals. Both batches are available here because the syllabus Nmap is same for everyone. That's why I have invited you all to attend the single session to complete the entire Nmap, and that will be also lower down my burden to take the session separately. That's why you all are here today. And today we will be discussing Nmap from basics to advanced level. Okay, anyone have any questions or should we start right now? Uh, Anyone have any questions or should we start? Okay, okay. So let me start my whiteboard. I'm not good with whiteboard right now because from a few days I'm starting. So no problem. A second, and let me share my screen. Okay, so my screen visible to everyone properly. Everyone can see my screen. Okay, cool. And I will be also promoting you all to start your fire up your Kali Linux machine also, so you can understand everything properly. And together with that, you can proceed with some basic commands also. So you can start doing like this, or if you are joining with a phone or you are not having Kali installed right now, try to get through the commands, and I will try to send you all the commands whatever we will be using right now in your groups in your corresponding group. I will be trying to share all the commands, so don't worry if you are not joining with Linux, and if you have joined, it's quite good. Okay, so to our first topic is today we will be discussing Nmap. We will be Okay, once again and someone is joining. Admit. Okay, so today we are going to discuss Nmap in complete. We will be discussing what is Nmap. So hope you all know about Nmap. Could you record this session? Yes, you will be finding the recording of this session in your group, in your group, wherever you are, you will be getting the recording. Don't worry. Stop joining, bro. We have started. I will reset the link or delete the link from group if someone join again. Okay, because time is up. Okay, so basically, hope you all know about Nmap, right? Or you are hearing this for first time. What is Nmap? All? Okay. Anyone else who is hearing this for first time or have some experience with Nmap? Okay, okay. Cool. So Nmap, Yes, yes. So Nmap is basically a network mapper. Like it's an open source tool. You don't have to pay any single amount for this very advanced tool. You don't have to pay single tool because those software who are open source are free to use. And basically, Nmap is used for network discovery and security auditing. Like what are the ports? Hope you all are familiar with open ports, closed ports. What are the ports? Ports are the services from where we transfer data or receive data on our web server. So ports are the those services, and Nmap basically does job is to try to find the port scanning. It do a lot of port scanning, and it detects the open port which might indicate what are the running services on that, and that's why it's a most popular tool for ethical hacker, network administrator, and security professional. Like all of them who are in a cybersecurity somehow they use Nmap in a very much depth, and Nmap also allows to identify live host on a network, like what are the machines that are active on a network. Like if you are using a Wi-Fi network or on your local area network, whatever you are connected with, you can simply run simply do a basic scan of an Nmap, and you will be getting idea like what are the devices active on my network. You can get the idea from there, and it is known for its flexibility also. Like it has wide range of capabilities from simple scan to a very high level scans and recognition technique. Like whenever you are interacting with any target, first you need to interact with the target. First you need to get the details of a target as much as you can. That's why we use Nmap. And Nmap have a lot of features. Like first, it is used for discovering the host. Like Nmap is used for host discovery. Host discovery Nmap is used for. And second, Nmap is okay. Give him the permission who is trying to join. Okay, so first, Nmap is used for host discovery. Another Nmap is used for port scanning. Next, Nmap is used for service version detection. Service version detection. Like service version detection help you in the way, like if you know what are the services running on any system, this gives you a basic idea. Like you can translate your attack in that way. Like if you get the idea this version is running on this operating system or this machine, then you can find some vulnerabilities regarding that. Vulnerabilities are like a equipment from which you can get into that system. So if you know the service and it is infected with some it can be affected with some viruses, or there is some loophole, you can, after detecting the server version from the Nmap, you can further initiate your advanced attacks there. Nmap is also used for OS detection. Like you can simply run some basic commands of a Nmap, and you can find the what are the operating system being used by your target just by knowing the IP address of your target. Like you know a IP address of your victim, or you know the domain of your victim, and then by scanning through Nmap, you will be getting the idea of what is the operating system used by that victim, and that is also very great deal. Like just by having IP, you get the note if he is running Windows 7 machine, Windows 10 machine, Windows 8, whatever he is running right now, you can simply find the vulnerabilities regarding that, and you can further initiate attack. So that's why OS detection is very much important. So Nmap is also having lot of scripts. Like Nmap have lot of scripts which is built in Nmap, and that automates various tasks. Like by using scripts, you can perform vulnerability scanning, service discovery. You can use like you can use service discovery. Sorry if I type any wrong spelling. My spelling is a little low, I can say. So, and it is also Nmap is also using a firewall bypass technique. Firewall bypass techniques. So, anyone know any other uses of Nmap, or these much uses are most of these are the uses of Nmap. Anyone, if know any other uses, can text me in a chat. Anyone have any idea regarding any other uses of Nmap, or we should proceed further? Anyone have any questions till that? Like, Okay, okay. So hope it's clear for all of you. Like Nmap, Nmap is used for host discovery, port scanning, service version detection, OS detection, scripting service, scripting in which we have our service discovery, vulnerability analysis, vulnerability, vulnerability places we have, and we have far more other things also. We can get idea of all these things as we will be proceeding in the course. So nmap was originally developed by a cybersecurity. You can simply call him a network engineer or cybersecurity engineer or a computer science engineer whose name was, okay, just give him little respect, with capital letter, gordon Gordon Lyon. Gordon Lyon was the developer of Nmap. So he is the developer of Nmap tool, Gordon Lyon, and and also he is known by his pseudonym, which is Fordon. And in 1997, this tool was published, and it undergoes through the various hacking magazines. Like someone has discovered a very great tool for network mapping, and from then this was a great tool. Till now, it's a very great tool, and that's how time passes, and this tool is gradually developing, and Nmap script engine is basically written in a Lua language. I hope you all have never listened a programming language. Like right now, you may have a familiar with C, C++, lower level programming language, which is ideal for a network programming. But Nmap is uh, written in Lua language, like Lua is a programming language. So was why Lua? Because Lua is a powerful for handling low-level network operations. Like most of the tasks, whatever we are doing on a Nmap is basically our low-level network-related things, and Lua is a best language to handle that, and it's also a very lightweight language, very lightweight language. Language. So those who study programming in their college or university may get the idea. Like low weight language, my it's mean there is a very low time complexity with this programming language, and there is a very low space complexity with this programming language like Lua. That's why we use Lua programming language for Nmap. Okay, I have done something wrong here, and that everything went back. So no problem. You all know what I have told before. Okay. So let's move to some other point. Anyone have any questions till that? Anyone have any questions? Should we move to advantages and disadvantages of Nmap? Anyone have any questions? Okay, sure. So let's move to what are the advantages and disadvantages of Nmap. Hope advantage. There are most of advantages of Nmap only. Advantages. So basically, advantages of Nmaps are it is completely open source, and getting our things done for free is the biggest advantage. That's why it's open source, and it is the biggest advantage. Like no one company is owning this right now, and it's completely free, and anyone can use this. So this is the biggest advantage. And having being open source also allow you to do a lot of modifications, and it makes you accessible to everyone. Like whatever your profession is, you are just a security team, you can definitely use this very versatile tool. And another advantage of Nmap is it has a lot of wide range of features. Like one second, just let me give him permission. Okay, so and another is it has a wide range of features. Like it has wide range of features, and its features we have discussed. Like it is multifunctional. It can perform various type of scans, like host discovery, operating system discovery, and various other scanning it can done. And it also have our scripting engine, which provide it has a scripting engine which provide lot of scriptings. And Nmap is also customizable and scalable. It is valid for a very various cross platform. Like you can use Nmap on a Windows as well as on a Linux machine. So that is also good. And some disadvantages are it is detected by let me show you some disadvantages. Like it's most disadvantage is a very noisy scanner. Like whenever you are scanning any website with Nmap, you may be caught out with by the network administrator, and they will be get to know like someone is scanning their entire website. So that's why it is detected by firewall or IDs. So many modern firewall and detection system come pre-installed, like they can detect Nmap scans, and this led your scans to be blocked, locked, or the target become alerted, and then you can't do some further attack. So this is the main disadvantages here. And some other disadvantages I will be mentioning you in a PPT I will be providing. So it's also a resource intensive. Like we need a lot of our computer resources when we are scanning a large area of a network. Like if you are scanning hundreds of computers together, then it will be very tough for Nmap to handle all these things. So this is the some disadvantages of Nmap. Rest of thing all are good, so don't worry about that. So let's switch to my Kali machine, and we will be seeing how Nmap looks and what are the things we have with our Nmap. So till now, anyone have any questions? Anyone? Or is it's all clear to everyone? Okay, okay. So Prashant Yadav, yes, Prashant Yadav. So can you tell me some advantages of Nmap as we have discussed few minutes back? Pras- Yes, Prashant. Yes, tell what are the advantages and disadvantages of Nmap? Just go with advantage. I will be switching to someone else for disadvantages. Don't worry. Just tell me few advantages. Okay, so it's open source. That is the biggest advantage, and it's customizable. It support wide range of features. It is used for network security and auditing. So these are the basic advantages. And anyone can explain few disadvantages of Nmap? Like what is the disadvantage of Nmap? Anyone? Yes, yes. Like it can easily be identified the network administrator that someone is scanning their entire infrastructure or entire IT infrastructure. So this is the biggest disadvantage of using Nmap. And let's proceed with our Kali machine. Where we will be learning what are the basic commands there and how Nmap looks like and what you have to do to go with Nmap. So Nmap basically comes. Let me switch to my Kali machine. Okay, so let me switch to Kali machine. Okay, yes, yes. So this is my Nmap, which is open, but I am opening it from fresh. Like this is our Nmap. You will be getting note just after the class. If I am unable to send, you can text me. And so Nmap looks like when you press Nmap hyphen H, it opens your Nmap terminal. Okay, okay, my bad. Okay, so you just need to press Nmap hyphen H. Let me increase the size. Okay, so this is your Nmap, like Nmap hyphen H. Whenever you put this command, it will be opening the help menu. So is it visible to everyone? Like what I am doing right now here? Everyone? Yes, yes. So this command you have to put here on your terminal, like when you fire up your terminal, and even from your information gathering section, you can find Nmap here. Like from here, you can also open an Nmap. Like why it's not opening? One second. Yes, yes. From there you can also when you press and go to information gathering section and press your Nmap. From here, this Nmap is also open, and my previous one is this one, which I have opened by this command like Nmap hyphen H. So when you open Nmap, you will be getting this one. Like first, you will be getting. Nmap 7.94 SVN from this website. Like this is the official website of Nmap, and we are getting this 7.92 SVN. So can anyone tell me what is this? Anyone? Okay, so this is the version of a Nmap right now. So this indicates the version of a Nmap we are using, and uh, and this is uses this is the general structure of a nmap, like nmap command, like first you have to put nmap, and then what are the type of a scan you are trying to do, and here you can put some options like what is the timing for your scan, what is the verbosity of that scan, you can put from here. And here you have to specify your target, like what is your target. It can be any website, it can be the IP address, it can be domain, it can be the range of IPs, it can be a specific port. So you can here specify your target. This is for using every command, you have to first put nmap, then you have to do the scan type, like which type of scan you are doing. It can be TCP or UDP scan, it can be sync scan. So there, here you will have to type the type of scan. So and here come our another, this is target specification. So in target specification, we can simply pass the host name, IP addresses and network. So whenever we are trying to get a specification of a target, we have to do all these things. So and for example, we can for a specification of a target, we can take a scanme.org or microsoft.com /24. /24 is indicates is scanning the entire range of IP, and here you can put the network ranges, like from 0-255, it's a network range, and this is also a network range. So you can identify in this way. And then we have what? Then we have our this command exclude. You can exclude some machine from your network also. Like if you are running a five laptop, you are running a five machine on your network, you can exclude some of them. You can exclude some. You can, if you are scanning an entire subnet, you can just give a exclude file there that exclude. You can give the IPs of some machine there, and all the machine will be excluded from there. So then our host discovery comes, and in that we can do SN for a list scan. So let's move to Nmap and do the basic scans here. So, okay, everyone, anyone have any questions regarding the basic things of Nmap, or we can start with that? Anyone have any questions? Yes, yes. What? Yes, yes, yes. Network discovery is used for scanning to the network and knowing what are the services running there and how to get into that. It indicates that. Yes, yes. Network security admin. Yes, yes. So if you are working as a network security admin, your main task is to you will be handling a few firewall and IPs you will be having. You will be monitoring that, and you will be looking for what are the types of attack is coming on my our system and how to defend them. You will be basically blocking all the attacks that is coming to you. So this will be the basic task you will be doing in the company. So these are the things you have to do. Yes, yes. So you don't have to do that much task there. This is the basic thing. So let's move to our anyone have any questions, or should I move to our Linux machine again? Okay, so let's move. Let's move. Okay, let me explain. Host discovery also. Host discovery. So this is host discovery defines methods to discover live host on the network. Like when you put SL, it's mean a list scan. SL mean list scan, which is mentioned here, list scan, and it simply lists the targets to scan. Like whenever you run give this parameter to your network, it will be scanning the list of all the things, like network. Nmap will not actually scan, it will just list the target for you. You can scan at that time. This will be giving you this method. And then our then we have our SN, which is ping scan, which disable port scans. Like you can start your port scan from this. Then we have our PN, which threat all. It looks for all hosts which are online or which are not online. It will be doing that. And then let's move to our scan technique. So this will be our scan technique. We will be doing this when we will be starting. So let's start. First, we are going with the scanme.org, this example. So basically, this is scanme.nmap.org is a website which is given by Nmap for the practice purposes. Like you can start attacking on this website and you can practice all of your command on this website. So let me scan this website and get the result for you. So the scan is being started, and these are the basic things that are happening here. Okay, so this command basically run the basic scan on the. It may take some time. Uh, those who are having a laptop, they can start doing this command on their laptop also. Anyone who is doing simultaneously with us? Okay, so yes, yes. So our result is ready, and let me go through the result. Like we have done this command like nmap hyphen v hyphen a scanme.org. We have done this command. This performs an aggressive scan. Like hyphen a stand for aggressive scan on a scanme.nmap.org website, showing the OS detection. It shows the OS detection, version detection, and other detection also. And the hyphen v increases the verbosity. Like basically, if we do this scan without v, it will be taking very much more time. But we have done it with hyphen v, that's why it's taking very less time. And because it has increases the verbosity, and hyphen v stand for verbosity, so you can see more details in a real time. So it has initiated according to my laptop time, which is not correct at that time. And okay, someone is still joining. First, give him permission. He is standing on the gear. Okay, so he is in, and again move to our map. Okay, so Traceroute. So anyone have is getting this result or not getting this result? So whenever you run any Nmap scan, like whenever you run any default Nmap scan, there are around 60,000, 63,000 plus open ports for the network. But whenever you run any simple command, it scans for first 1,000 port. It basically first scan for the one default 1,000 ports. So let me check that this website is up or not. So for this, we have our ping command, which is nmap hyphen sn hyphen the IP address of the website, which is in case this is an nmap. This is think where is IP? Yes, this one is our IP address for nmap.scanme.org, and this is the safe website. Like it's automatically giving you permission to scan. It's completely illegal to scan anyone else's website without having the permission. So you can either go with Metasploitable 2 machine. That will be also helping you for this purpose. Like for your practice, you can go with a Metasploitable 2 machine, or you can scan this website only, like scanme.nmap.org. And if you are, I can't show scanning on any live website here because I have to upload this video on a YouTube. If you are doing on your laptop, you can try with your local you try with any of a target, like you can target your college and anything for scanning purposes, and don't hammer any server. And if you find any SSH port, don't try to start a brute force attack on that and try to get into and take the administrative access. So don't try to do like this. Just do some only basic stuffs here. And why are joining right now, bro? Okay, so these are the basic things you have to do. Okay, so hope I'm just doing a ping scan. This gives you idea, like it performs ping only scan, and to check if the host is online or not. Like I need to check the host is live or not. So host is up. It's showing host is up. Like when you do this command, like nmap-sn and the IP address of the website, or even you can give the domain. Then it starts, and here it's again showing the version, and it scan the website and it's showing the host is up, and in that period like 0.00.45 second it has given us the result and the website is up, so we can further scan our target. So let me clear the terminal and again start with another command like first do some basic scan like first I'm doing nmap and I'm not giving any parameter here, like I'm just giving the IP address only, and let me check what happens here. Then we will be moving to some other command. It will take a few minutes or a few seconds to complete. And this command, like nmap hyphen the IP address, it's from the basic scans up to 1000 port. Like by default, it scans for 1000 port, and here we are scanning first 1000 port of this website, and it will identify all the open ports and services that are available on the first 1000 port. And when you it's useful at a starting point because we need to just discover the ports and services. So let me still open the Firefox and go through what are the most common ports. Common ports. What are the most common ports? Hope you may have 50 common port. You can read from this website like what are the common ports and what you need to do with that. Like port number is 60-bit numerical number, value from 0 to 65,535. So this much ports we have, and well-known ports are from 0 to 123. Like on this we have our TCP, UDP, SSH, SSH port 80 which run HTTP, and port 443 which run our HTTPS services. So all the basic ports are available here. You can simply check the names from here. Like on port 7, we have our eco port, which transport our TCP and UDP. On port 20, we have our FTP. On port 22, we have our SSH and SCH. You don't have to remember all these things, but the very basic ports like port 21, port 25, which is our SMTP, used for our all the mailing servers of any website or any company is available here. So this is used for mail transfer protocol and used for email routing and between the mail server. So SMPT port is also important. Then on our port 53 we have our DNS. Our port 23 is our telnet services. On port 80 we have our HTTP, and which runs our TCP and UDP SCTC. And you can read all these ports on your own. I don't have this is not included in a syllabus to give you the idea regarding what are the ports and all these things. So the scan is still running. So let me switch to any other terminal. First cut this, and it will take some time because we are scanning entire web server for a top 1000 port, and I need to give some more resources to my laptop so I can fasten the scan. So it will be taking some time. We can also skip to this, and we will be scanning taking some other commands. So let me do Control plus C. When you do Control plus C, all of your command will be your running situation will be taken out. So again, we will be doing some. Let me do all TCP port scan like Nmap hyphen for TCP port scan hyphen P. This is the command hyphen P hyphen, and our IP is let me copy paste. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so let's run this command, and this command will scan for this command scans for all the ports. Like it will scan for all 65,535 TCP ports on the target. Like it will take around 10 to 15 hours to run this command, and you can run this command when you want to scan the any target throughoutly. Like if you want to write a research paper on the target, and if you want to hack target anyhow, then you will be running this command to get into all the services. So to ensure this command use only to ensure when you don't want to miss any common port by scanning the entire ports that are available, and you when you need to adjust the services for any services that might be running on common ports also. Like most common port are in between 0 to 1024, but the port which are outside that range and very much important, and maybe some vulnerable services may be running there. So you can put this command, and it's take a lot of time to complete this. So let me move to another command. So we have some commands to scan for any specific port. Okay, 1 minute. First, let him enter into the class. Okay, so anyone have any questions till now in port scanning and anything else, or we can proceed further? Anyone have any questions? Anyone? Okay, okay, okay. So let's scan for some specific port. Here we will be scanning for any specific port, and for scanning any specific port, we do Nmap, and then we give parameter p, and then we give the name. Like here I am giving the name of port 22, port 80, port 443. These two, like port 80 and port 443 is our http and https, and port 22 we are going to scan all of them. Like let's do the scan here. This will be scanning for only three ports, and here our result is like it has only scanned the three port that we have given here. Like if you want to increase the speed of the your scan, you can simply put this command, and then it will be giving you all the or whatever port you have mentioned, you will be giving. Like it is more focused on the known services, and it has saved a lot of time. Like when you are running this command or this command, it is default scanning to the at least 1000 port. It is scanning, and this command is scanning for entire port, like from 0 to 65,000 ports it is scanning. But in this command, you are specified like hyphen p. You have specified like which ports you have to scan. Like we have given three ports to scan, and then it has scanned that. So and it has shown us the result. Like on port 22, our SSH service is running. On port 80, we have our HTTPS like this, and on port 443 we have our https. So this how it's happened. So let me clear, and let's move to any other command. So till now, anyone have any issues with anything, any questions? Anyone? Everything clear to all of you, or should we have any questions from all this thing? Okay. Okay, okay. So it's difficult to remember all the ports. So you can take a cheat sheet. Even you can with a proper practice and going through the Nmap help menu, you will be understanding everything. So don't worry about that. So let me show you again one command which will be scanning for a top 100 ports. Like let me scan top 100 ports. For that, Nmap hyphen top 100. This is the parameter. No, 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 no. Top hyphen 100. Then put the IP. Like our IP is 45 dot uh, 45 dot 33 dot 32 dot 156. Hope this IP is right that we are using. Yes, anyone who has remembered the IP, is this right? Like 4533 dot 32 dot 156. Yes, 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 yes. This is the IP we are using previously. So let's scan for the top 100 port. User on a What is the error here? See the option nmap hyphen s for summary of top. Okay, okay. We have missed one parameter here. Like we have to put top hyphen. I think we have to give port here. Port 100. Yes, yes. This may be the command, right? Okay, yes. Now it has a scan started scanning. Like I was missing port parameter here. So till from a port 0 to 100 it has scanned, and it has given a result on port 22 and port 80. So these two ports are open. So by putting this command like top port, you can scan for top. Let me check for top 200 ports also. Like top 200 ports. Yes, it will be scanning for top 200 port. Till that, give the permission. It's not getting the result right now. Okay. Okay. So let me switch to again to Kali. Okay, so again, I don't know why it's not giving a not shown 199 port TCP filter or no response. So we have hammered a lot on this server. That's why my internet service provider is blocking. So let me uh, do sudo su and change my MAC address so I can go with all the scans. Okay, so now I'm changing my MAC address so my scan will be finished. Okay, so I have changed my MAC address from this was my previous MAC address, and now I have switched to my new MAC address. And let me again become that user. I don't want to have a sudo permission, so let me exit. Okay, so here we are. We have our MAC address. So the internet doing this, my internet service provider will think like any other machine has joined right now. So that's how my scan will be not blocked. I think it may be not blocked. So let me start with some service version detection. So first clear the screen. So first check any question. Anyone have any questions till now? Like what we are doing? Everyone getting the concept what we are doing here? Everyone? Yes, yes, you are audible. Yes, yes, sure. I have changed because I was continuously hammering the server with my single MAC addresses. Like I'm not interested in changing my IP address right now, but I have changed my MAC address. So my service provider, who is my internet service provider from the internet, or whichever I'm connected with, they may think like one device which is connected with that IP is goes down, and now some other devices is being connected to the internet. So I will be getting few more options or few more opportunity to scan through my main IP or my main device. So that's why I have changed my MAC address. You can also try this. There is no worries in doing this stuff, right? Yes, yes. Hope it's clear to everyone, right? Any other questions? You can switch to like sometime you need to assign your IP addresses randomly. When you open the proxy chain configuration file, you will be having a option to assign the IP addresses randomly, and by doing this way, you will be getting IP addresses randomly, and you can perform a lot of attack with a single machine only. So that's how we can also proceed. But right now, going into a configuration file and changing all this thing is not into the scope of course, and even I don't want to do getting into a lot of a mess. So this is the simple trick only. You can survive for a long time on your single network. So you will be getting a lot of permissions. Any other questions? Or should we start with service version detection? Like till we have discussed around 5 to 6 commands, and now we will be discussing service version detection. So basically, service version detection identify the service running on the open port. Like till now, we were just checking like what are the open ports here and what are the services there. But now we will be checking for what are the services running on that open port. So let me start a map. And for service version detection, you simply put hyphen S and capital V for service version. And then we have our IP address like 45 dot, and this is our IP address. Okay, so this command will help us to do a service version identification. And it is no this command will help you to know the exact version of the services that is helping in the vulnerability that will be helping you in a vulnerability assessment. And after discovery open port together detail more information regarding your target, you will be doing this like uh, does it have given any result like please report the incorrect result. No response. Like now, scanme.org is not giving me any response. So we need to change our target. So anyone know any target? Anyone can give me some target to scan with? Anyone? What target we should select right now? Okay, let's switch to google.com if possible. Okay, let me. Okay, so this IP will be our new target. Like we will be scanning the Google IP address right now. So let me clear this screen and our map hyphen service version, and then we have our this command and this new IP address as a target, and then okay. So let me scan. Okay, so it will take few seconds to give the result, and here we will be identifying the versions of the services that are running on the open port. This SB gives you service version detection. No, I don't need any new terminal here. And after this, we will be doing OS detection also. Okay, so till that, let the scan finish, and we are moving to our Windows machine to have any questions. Anyone have any questions regarding the service detection? Anyone have any questions? Okay, okay, okay. Hope till that the scan may be finished till now. No, it's not. It is still a scanning. I think it's also a, sometimes it's takes some time to scan through the websites. Okay, let me find any other target. Like I need to get any other target. First, ping to a website. Amar-Indore-AC.in. This is its target. Okay, so let's try with this also. Don't try to hammer on any single website, otherwise your attack will be blocked out. Hyphen SP, we are using on S capital P, and then put this and start scanning here. Okay, so in this we are using this target right now. Like this is our target, and it's working here because it is a very small target in compared to our the big giant Google. So it may be working little faster here. Okay, here also we have got the result. Like on Google, there is a port 80 which is open running service HTTP, which version is GWS, right? So if you you get the version here, like what is the service version is running here. So the service version is basically, let me copy this and uh, let's go for let's go to Google and put this vulnerabilities. Okay, so search for this. You will be getting a lot of vulnerabilities regarding this port, and from there you can start attacking. Like here are some vulnerabilities regarding this, which is HTTP request smuggling. We have our zombie. We have our Jomar communication suite. We have our Oracle SS manager. So these are the basic attacks we can do here, and that's how you find the vulnerabilities, and that's how you start attacking here. I can't tell you that in a first attempt you will be getting access to that server, but yes, if you are getting deep, you somehow you will be getting attacked. So if you want to do service version, like for this is the command, like service version. We are having this command. Let me switch to another terminal and see is anything happen. No, let's skip this part and clear my screen. Okay, so we have one our other command, which is our operating system detection command, which is nmap hyphen o. And what was the IP for our Google? I forgot this. Again, I have to do ping google.com. You can run this command to get the idea of what is the IP address of any website. For getting this, then you can stop using Control C. So this is the basic thing you can do, and then we have to do our operating system detection. So hyphen O, and then we are having our IP address. So let's start. Okay, give some permissions also who are joining right now. Okay, till now, anyone have any doubts regarding service version detection or OS detection? Anyone have any questions? Okay, hope you all are okay with this. So let's move. So we are detecting operating system here. Hope it will take some time. And Hyphen attempts to determine the operating system of any target. And knowing operating system will help your tailor of attack and tests. Like if you came to know, like it's using, just for example, it's using Windows machine. So there are a lot of Windows machine are a damn vulnerable machine. There are tons of vulnerabilities available for that machine. So you can simply modify your attacks according to that. If you find some Linux machines is running there, you can start doing attack in that way. So if we have our aggressive operating system scan result here, most chances that Linux 2.437 is running, whose chances are 97%, and then a Microsoft Windows XP, SP3 or Windows 7 server, whose chances are 97%. So it's near to 100% chances that these two server may be running there. So now you get the idea what are the operating system here. So you can start attacking in that way. Like you have a idea regarding operating system, you can start finding what are the vulnerabilities in this server, and you can start attacking. Even chances of having M1424WR Zen 31 WAP is 96%, and then we have our Microsoft Windows XP SP3, which is 95%, and it's not possible that it can be 100% correct, but yes, chances are very high that they may be near to this. And in terms of having thousands of operating system, now your attack scenario is very limited. You have a very limited number of operating system. Like you just need to check for 5 to 6 operating system. So this will be also more efficient way, and this will be reduce the timing of your attack. So that's why we perform our operating system detection attack. uh, let me clear this. Okay, so any questions, or should we proceed further? Anyone have any questions? Kill off. Do you have any questions, or should we proceed with some other aggressive scans? Like we have another command which is -a, which will be having a good combination of OS detection, version detection, and script scanning. So we will be proceeding with that. Till now, do you have any questions? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. So for terminal, you have a Control Shift plus C for copy, Control Shift plus V for paste. So this is the control copy and plus key in a terminal. And when you need to increase the size of a terminal, you have to press Control plus and plus sign on your keyboard. And then you want to reduce the size of your terminal, you can simply do Control a minus sign to reduce and increase the size. And copy paste is Control Shift plus C, and paste is Control Shift plus V. So this is the basic option on a Kali Linux machine. Okay. So anyone else have any other questions regarding this? Anyone else? Okay. So hope everyone is okay with that, and it's going to have near 1 hour. We have just 1 hour left. So we have a lot of command left, at least 20 command we have remaining, so we need to go with that, and this will be the entire complete today we will be completing. So now you just need to practice. Like you have learned operating system, you detection, you learned version detection, you learn how to ping the and how to know how which system is up or the system is down. You learned how to scan the entire range of IPs. You learned how to scan for the whole range of ports. You know how to scan any specific port. So basic things you have learned, and you don't need to go more sorry, more deeper than this. So this is more than enough, but still we have some remaining command, and we will be learning that in a depth also. So then we have our yes, yes. Entire thing, control plus shift plus C, plus shift plus C. Yes, yes. Like first, yes, yes. For selecting the terminal, first double click and then move down your cursor. So this that's how you can select. Yes, yes. No, no. There is yes, yes. So you can try with Control Shift A. If it's selecting, it's good, but if the chances are very high it's not be selected. So let's start with aggressive scan. Yes, yes. So our aggressive scan command is nmap. Still, someone is joining, bro. It's 1 hour, and then who is joining? Oh, he may be in class. Bhagirathi is too late to join. 1 hour we have done. Okay, so let's do with our nmap aggressive scan, which is nmap hyphen a. And again, I forget the IP address. So let me ping again. So this is the main issue here. I used to forgot. Okay, no problem. Do Control C. And now this is our target again. Okay, so now nmap hyphen a capital and our target, which is okay. So let's this is the combination of OS detection, detection, and script scan. Yeah, and it also do trace route in one command. Like this one single command is very powerful command, and it provides the detailed and comprehensive scan of any target. And whenever you need to have some aggressive scan, you can use this command. And then we will be having our TCP stealth scan. Like if you want to have a stealthy scan without completing the TCP handshake, like whenever you are doing a TCP scan, first your system sends some packets, and if there is a handshake with the another system or your victim system, then only your TCP scan work. But for TCP stealth scan, there is no such mechanism like TCP handshake. So after this command, it will take some time to run. After this command, we will be looking for our TCP stealth scan also. Let me divide the terminal in two parts, and we will be doing some another commands here also. So increase the terminal size, and here we will be practicing our nmap for TCP scan. I think it's hyphen S and capital S, and then uh, our target, which is this one, and a scan. So it may give start giving the result in few minutes. This is this command for TCP stealth scan, and it may take some time. It's perform a stealthy sync scan without completing the TCP handshake, and it's faster and less likely to logged by the target system. Like your target will be not came to know like what are the types of scan you are doing here, and whenever you want to do port scanning discreetly without drawing any attention from the network administrator, you can run this command simply to get the idea. If it's not working on my system, you can do it on your own system also to go with that. Okay. Anyone have any questions till now on these two command? Okay, okay, okay. So our TCP both result have come. So first result we are here. Okay, let me increase this, and I have to exit this right now because it's unable to show you. Okay. Okay, so we have done aggressive scan, and it has given us lot of results as usual. Like it have provided us a comprehensive scan of a target. Like whatever fingerprinting strings they have provided us. Like for port 80, we have a lot of details here. Like from state to services to version, we all have this. And um, what is the time of a scan done? This is here. This is our expiration. What is the max is, and every detail we are here. Then we are on a. This is the where is our port 80. Okay, okay. Let me give me 1 second to read this properly. Okay, so this is the cookies for that. You can try to log in into that server with having this cookies. Sometime a cookie staining and logging with a cookie happens. So you can try with this, and that's how it gives a lot of a result. And you can do a lot of SSL date. Yes, randomized does not represent time. So we again have a few cookies to log in with that, but we will not trying this in a class. So this is the trace route, like from port 1 to port 30, and OS and service is from perform. But where is the OS? it may be into some result. It will take some time to go through that. So this is your basic task. Like you all have to run this command and go through the result, that like go through this result in very much depth and study what is this result in saying. Like I can only tell you the basic details here. Like setting the cookies and logging through that is you have to do it on your own premises, or you have to do it on your in a safe environment. So do this on your own. And let me clear the screen, and let's move to our aggressive scan command we have done. Now we have our TCP scan, which result was also available. So let's have our TCP connect scan. I think it's for Nmap hyphen s and capital T, and our target, which is this one. And let me start. So this is for complete and full TCP handset with each port. Like in TCP sync scan, we are not doing any TCP handset, but this scan is a TCP connect scan. Like here we are doing a complete TCP handset with each port. Like we are sending the packet, and our victim is if our victim is receiving the packet, then we will be getting the result here. And it is used because it works without needing the administrative privilege on the local machine. Like whatever target we are scanning, it doesn't require any permission to that, and it is used if you are scanning for a machine without root access. And when stealth scan is not necessary, like sometime you are just randomly target your target, and you don't need any stealth scan. That's the time you can use this scan. So it will also take some time. So let me check any questions there. Okay, so anyone have any questions? What are the key to copy paste? Okay, okay. Sir, we can also run this command, but answer it come from you did not come. Increase zoom what key? Control plus plus plus. So Janvi, can you ask? I'm not understanding what you are saying. Can you repeat your question? Janvi, can you repeat your question? Like what you are saying? Janvi, can you repeat your question? I don't know what happened. Okay, so let's move to. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, Bablu, till ask your question, what you are saying. No, no, login ले नहीं सकते. You can try. It's not a direct access, bro. It's a Google. There are a hell lot of engineers sitting there, so it's not a direct access. You can take login, but sometime some website leaks the cookies, and you can try to go through that. So and there are multiple types of attack you can do there. There is also a browser hooking you can perform, but all this will work on a local network only. I don't think Google will leak such type of cookie. Otherwise, attackers are every single time attacking them. But you can try with scanning a local website and doing this. Any other questions, Pablo? Okay, yes, yes, you can try, but Google will not allow this. And even I have to upload, bro. Don't, I don't want this video to come into the copy. Yes, 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 yes. You can try. There are a lot of cookie stealer website where you can check the validity of cookies, and then you can try to log in with that. I can provide you some private videos for that, but that is off the topic. You can send me that. You can do a WhatsApp message, so we will be discussing there. Right now, I have to upload on a WhatsApp, upload on a YouTube. I want to maintain the legality of the class. Don't want any copyright or yes, 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 yes. Tell me. Okay. Yes, yes. There are a few websites. First, there you have to check the cookies validity, and then you can further initiate the attack. So that's how you have to do. Yes, yes, we will be discussing about session hijacking. We will be having a session on session hijacking where we will be discussing this thing, like how to steal someone's browser cookies through browser hooking by injecting some JavaScript code there, and then we will be trying to steal the cookies and log in into our entire system. So we will be discussing things. There will be around that will come in within 6 to 7 days you will be reached up to level of a session hijacking. But right now it's just for a scanning we are doing here. Okay, Bablu. Whenever you are logging on any website, first they have to provide you some. They Your password is being saved in a browser for some certain time. That's all the detail is inside the cookies format, and you can steal someone else cookie and log in there. Because let's assume you are having a website and I am logging there. Till the time I am logging here, I have to create the session, and for the creation of session, the cookie is required. So that's how cookies are working. Okay, Janvi, what was your question? Oh, I can't explain this. That depends on system configuration sometime. Sometime it gives a different result on which type of what is your laptop configuration right now. Okay, okay, no problem. It gives sometime different result. Don't worry. It's same thing happens to every time. Don't worry about that. It give result sometime different results on a different system. Don't worry about that. You can check with any other command. We have a lot of commands to run. So don't. Yes, yes. I also get a new point. Don't come in trouble by saying that your results are not matching with the commands that I have run. It's not a necessity that everyone's command will match to each other with each other. So don't worry about that. If you are getting some different commands, it's okay for you. No worries for that. Okay. Yes, yeah, yeah. Even the results are very much similar to each other, but chances are little bit that there may be some difference in the command. Okay, so it has this was the new method to scan. Like in this, we have done a complete handshake with our target, and then we have got the result of same open port and services have got by our TCP connect scan. It is working without the network and needing any administrative privileges, and it is showing that we can have a ping scan to the website, or we can send some packets through TCP on that website. So to initiate any further attack. So then we have our UDP scan. So for UDP, we have our Nmap hyphen S is similar everywhere, and U is capital, and then with our target. And this is for our UDP scan. Like it will scan for all the open ports of UDP and many services like DNS, SNMP uses UDP. So this scan will help you to figure out what are the UDP ports are scanning here to get through the DNS server and SNMP attacks, which is running your mail servers also. And when you suspect to check for a UDP scan, this command is very much perfect for you, and you can run this at that time. So it will again take some time, like a few minutes is taking. I am also having a less resources. Like right now, I'm just having 12 GB RAM for this Kali machine. It takes some time. I need to give it at least 60 GB of RAM, 16 GB of RAM. So I will try to provide this within few days. I will be upgrading my system. Okay, so you can write down this command for your scanning, and I am starting new terminal by splitting this vertically, and here I will be scanning without host discovery. I don't think this command is very much important to learn. So we have let's move to Nmap scripting, right? I hope we all are done with Nmap basic commands, and basic to intermediate level command we are done with. So anyone have any questions, or should we go for learning some Nmap scripts also? Anyone have any questions till now? Okay, okay. So hope you all can run this thing completely. So let me show one more command, and then I will be switching to our Nmap scripting. So till now the scan has not finished. So we have one more command which is Nmap hyphen. capital T. Oh, sorry. My mistake. Hyphen capital T. T is for a timing, like it increases the velocity of your attack, or it increases the velocity of your scan. Let me increase this. So T will increase the velocity of your scan, and you can identify the number from T1 to T5. And T5 is for very much aggressive, and T1 is for very less aggressive. So it depends on your choice. Like it depends on your target to target also. Like if you are scanning any target which is very much secure, and you know if you scan that for in a aggressive way, the system administrator is going to shut it down, or may block your IP through a scanning from a scanning. Then you can use T1. But right now we don't have that, so we are not going that much aggressive. We are using T4 here for a less aggressive, and we are putting our target to get our result very much faster. Like it may give a result in a few seconds. And T parameter is just to adjust the scan speed. Even we can go with T4, and T4 is quicker, and T0 or T1 is very much slower. And when you are performing T0 and T1, it's a stealth scan. The network administrator will not get any idea regarding that. So it's depend, like you need a speed, or you need a stealth, or you need anonymity. So that purposes you can switch between T4 and T0, T1. So this is the idea regarding that. And let me open another terminal. I will be showing you some more command, like uh, split this horizontally. So I'm splitting this horizontally, and here we will be running. Okay, so that scan result has finished. So here we have. Okay, so this give when we have done T4, it has given a result much faster than this. Like you can see here, we are still not getting any result by using this command. We have run for our UDP scan, but here we have not defined any parameter like T1, T2, T3, 4. So that it's assuming like its parameter is T0, and that's why it's taking a lot of time. But here we have defined our parameter like a T4, and that's why it's taking very less time to get the result. And let me exit one terminal so I can proceed with another one. I exit this also, and here okay, let me increase the size and stop this scan. And uh, one thing more, clear the terminal. And now we will be having one more scan to bypass the firewall. Like let's assume you are scanning a target which is having the firewall. So you can simply put -F for firewall, and scan for firewall evasion. Like -A parameter will be scanning for firewall evasion. It will doing a fragment. It will provide a fragmented packets to avoid detection. Like the packet will be broken down into few pieces, and then it will be going to the server. That's why this attack may be also slow, little slow, but this is a firewall evasion technique. Like if you are getting every single time whenever you are scanning, and you are getting a block, getting blocked by the network administrator, you can use -A parameter to scan that target, and that will be helping you a lot while bypassing the firewall or evasion of the firewall. Or it basically helps to get email into a secure get into a very secure system by sending a small, very small packets. And you can use this whenever you feel like there is a firewall on the victim machine, or there is any illusion detection system that is available on the target machine, and who is just always having eye on you. Then you can provide this F parameter to run a stealth scan or bypass the parameter. Like in this, we don't have any. We have just centered the packet in a very little pieces. So the network administrator sitting here will not get any idea regarding the what type of a scan is happening here, or anyone is trying to scan that. Okay, so it's clear. Everyone done with that? Anyone have any questions till now? Let me check. IP find timeline. Or for finding the IP, you can you can simply do ping and the website name whose IP you want to find. Anyone have any questions, or should we proceed further? Anyone? Okay, okay. Hope till now you are enjoying the session and you are understanding each and everything, and that will be helping a lot while further moving to the some advanced courses in cybersecurity also, and even that this will help you a lot in learning this course also. This lecture will help you a lot because in this you are almost done with network mapping using Nmap, so you are almost done. Now you have to move your vulnerability scanning and all these things. So within 1 or 2 days, we will be also having a complete session on a Metasploit where we will be scanning all the targets and resulting for the vulnerabilities. Tomorrow we will be starting that if possible. Tomorrow again we will be having a 2 hour session. So one command which is have about traceroute command for OS and version detection. You can use that also. I'm showing this like -a and once again for traceroute we have to uh, hyphen traceroute or is a traceroute I'm writing traceroute R O U ROUT. Yes, yes. Now TRACEROUT trace route and then the IP address whose route you want to know and then press enter. It come this command like nmap -a trace route and the IP address like your target IP address. It combines everything like OS detection, version detection, and trace route. It give all of these in a single scan, and if it also give and when you get the result of these three things in a single scan, it gives you an understanding of a target system and a network path also. Like from where to where traffic is routing, network traffic is routing on the internet. You will be getting idea of all these things by using this command. So when you want to map the network in a very detailed manner, you can run this command. This is a very useful command to even by using this command, you can map any website. Like if you want to know like where is the server of that website and from where the data is going and coming, you can simply do this command and you'll be getting idea of all these things. So I think we are done with all the commands, and now let's move to vulnerability scanning part. Let this scan running, and we will be launching another instance, another terminal I'm launching, and let me increase the size. Okay, and first move to one thing we have to do like move to whiteboard. Okay, so now we are seeing what is nmap script engine like nmap nsc scripts. So what are these like why we use nmap scripting? So these are basically the script type of a script which is available in nmap and with a name, and it can help you to identify the vulnerabilities in the system. It can automate your attack also. Attacks also. By running many script, you can even attack automate your attacks. You don't need to put many commands at a single time. So first we will be running our one vulnerability scan on our website, like on our target. So for running a script, we have our we can simply check for first script, like what are the types of scripts available in a nmap. For this, we have command nmap script sc script. Okay, so when you run this command, uh, let's see this, like what is there. This is giving uh, nmap hyphen ss. I don't know why this is not giving the result of all the scripts here. Okay, so first go with our nmap nmap hyphen script. See script, and the script will be our vulnerabilities like a view. Vulnerability is denoted by this, and uh, where is our website? No, no, this was our not target. We need to identify again. I have to ping the target like what I was having a target. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is our previous result where we have done our trace route on the website. We have a lot of result. After doing, you can also do this command to go through the result. Till now, I have another result pending, which is our this one. No, no, this is not. I need to. Yes, 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 yes. So let's scan this. Now we are scanning for all the vulnerabilities that are available here right now. Right now, but it has not given any vulnerabilities. Still, by using this command, why I'm not getting vulnerabilities. But this script is using for giving you the vulnerabilities right now. Maybe they are blocking to scan for the vulnerabilities. That's why we are not getting any result here. Okay, so anyone have any doubt? All the known vulnerabilities, like all the CVE, which is defined till now, you will be getting the idea of that by doing this command. Anyone else have any question? Anyone? Yes, yes, no problem. You will be getting idea. If someone is speaking with Hindi, it's not any. I don't think it's any issues. If you are not getting anything, you can simply tell me. I will be helping you out. It's not any issues. We don't have to come into any language thing like what they are speaking. They just need to learn what they want. That's all. So this side. Okay. So any other questions, or should we start with Nmap scripting, or should we take a 1 or 2 minute break? Okay, just have a break for 1 minute. I'm coming back. Okay, okay, I'm coming. Oh, George. Okay, 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 okay. I'm back, everyone. Okay, so now I'm audible properly. Okay, okay, cool, cool. So, any other till now, any doubt in all the commands we have discussed, or we should start? Okay, hope you all are very much understandable and don't have any doubts. So, let's start. I don't know why this command is not working right now. Map for script to. This is the IP, but this is not giving us the result right now. Whatever result we are trying to grab, it's not scanning for that. Let the scan finish. It will take some time. Now someone is joining after this much time. Sanjay, please switch off your mic. Okay, now I think it's going to give us the result. That's why it's taking some time. No, no, it's not giving result till now. Okay, so Nmap hyphen S and capital C and let the website run. Okay, so I think SC will scan for the default vulnerabilities. So if it gives the result, it's great. Otherwise, we are even after going through a lot of bypasses, trying to bypass, we are getting into trouble, and they are not allowing us to scan the website right now. That may be the also issue, but right now, just go with that and open another terminal and have some here. We have Traceroute result. Let me clear this, and we have our nmap hyphen script. Yesterday I have tried this command also. Script. Okay, okay. Some result have arrived there. Let me check that. Okay. So in this command we have got some vulnerabilities here, like on port. Okay, SS is not valid. Yes. So invalid SSL certificate. We have get this. Like you can scan for SSL, and if you are not getting any response, you can try to grab result by that also. And in command line 2 we will be running another command which will script and then let's scan for http hyphen http hyphen headers and our website. So we are scanning for http headers vulnerabilities here. If there is any vulnerabilities for http headers, we will be finding result here, and if we don't have, we will not getting any result. So we are scanning for http headers here right now. Okay, so check till now. Any other questions? Can you please repeat nmap is command? Is yes. I will be repeating this command. Don't worry. Till now, let me go with the result. Whatever result we are getting. Again, it's taking time. Okay, so for HTTP header, we don't have any vulnerabilities here right now. Connection is closed, and MA, this one is running right now on there. So I don't think it's any vulnerable thing here. So yes. Yeah, so we don't have find any vulnerabilities in HTTP headers also. So we can also check for some more result. Like let's clear the terminal and go for our nmap script, and let's check for SSH. Let's check for SSH if we find any vulnerabilities on SSH. If you give a hashtag parameter, it will scan for entire thing, and then uh, it will give the result. Try to grab the result. So let's scan for SSH. If there is any vulnerabilities on SSH, it will be scanning and trying to provide us the result. So this SSH is a SSH hashtag is a wildcard. Like it will be useful whenever you want to select any script with a given name parameter. Like we are here giving a name SSH. That's why we are providing hashtag here, and it can go with all the local scripts and all this. So let's wait for getting the result. And let me check if something else is happening here. No, we have not found anything here. Okay, so there is on our port, one port doesn't have not given us any response, and another port we have not find anything. So here there is a no vulnerabilities. That's why it's showing like this, because there are a lot of coders to stop it from having a vulnerability. So let me finish the terminal and wait for the result. Here again, there is no any vulnerabilities in SSH also. So we will be trying to have any vulnerable port from the next day. Like from next day, we will be trying to attack any vulnerable machine, and then from there we will be learning if there any vulnerability exists, and we will trying to grab the result of that. So now can we finish this session, or we you all can continue for some more time? Anyone have any questions, or should we end the session, or can we continue for some more time? How can I repeat the entire session? Like, okay, okay, what we have learned, you need the repetition of that, right? Okay, okay. So, first we have gone through the what is Nmap, how what Nmap can do. First we have learned, right? Yes, first we have gone through like what is Nmap, why we Nmap use, what are the advantages and disadvantages of Nmap. Then we have gone through a lot of type of scan. Like let me open that again so we can know what are the types of scan here. When you type Nmap -h hyphen h, it will show you all the parameter, what are the scan we have done. And here we have first we have discussed what are the version of Nmap right now, what are the uses. Then we have learned how we can use Nmap. Like first we have to put this parameter Nmap, then we have to define the type of scan, like which type of scan you want to do, UDP scan, TCP scan, and then we have to set the options, like whatever options using you need to fasten the scan by using T1, T0 to T4 or T5, and then we will be identifying our target. Like we put here IP addresses like this stuff. So this is the basic example. Like first we have a look taken a look on this website, like scanme.nmap.org, which is practice website given by the Nmap. Then we have given a lot of parameters like SL. We have given for list scan. We have seen SN command parameter to ping a scan and know the target is up or down. Then we have gone through port and specification scan. Like we have given some specific ports to a scan. Then we have scanned the entire range of ports. Then we have scanned for from port 0 to port 1000. Then we have also scanned for 100 top 100 ports also. Then we have done our service and version detections, like what are the services running on the our victim machine, what is the version of that. Then we have looked some details into a script. I will be making an advanced video on Nmap. There I will be discussing Nmap scripting in detail. Like we have to do some of Lua coding also here. Like we need to do some coding part here also. This is advanced stuff I will be doing in the end of a course. We will be doing this, or till Monday I will try to do this. And then we have looked for OS detection, like what are the operating system running on our victim machine. We have to try to grab the operating systems so that our scope of attack will become less down. Like if you don't know the whatever operating system your victim is using, you have to scan for thousands of operating system. But if you came to know like what is the operating system, you can design your attack in that way. That's why we have done our operating system detection. Then we have set our timing and performance by using T from 0 to 5 to set the timing and templates. Like you need higher and faster. Like whenever you are using T0, it's a stealth scan and it's very much slow. But when you are using T5 parameter, it's very fast and it's not a stealthy scan. Like if you are knowing that your target machine has a network administrator and it can block your scan, then you will be using T0 or T1. And if you are familiar with your target, or he is not blocking your scans, like whenever you are doing a scan, you are sending a packet, and then you are getting a result. So if you don't have any problem with that, you can set T5 parameter also. Then we have discussed our firewall and ad evasions. Like if we have a firewall exists there, how we can fragment our packets, like we can divide our packets in a few chunks, so so we can evade the firewall, we can bypass the firewall, and then we can attack on that system. And we have one more thing left, like we have not scanned any IPv6 addresses. IPv6 IP addresses we have not scanned in this video, but in further videos or in an advanced video that I will be making again on Nmap. Again, I will be teaching Nmap. In that video, I will be in that class. I will be teaching you what how to scan IPv6 addresses and how to do OS detection, version detection on IPv6 addresses. And then we have taken this website as our target website, and after that we have taken google.com as our target machine and done a lot of stuff there. So hope this is the basic summary of this session. Anyone have any questions till now, or is all clear? Anyone? Okay, okay. So this thing we have discussed today, and we don't have to discuss more than this for your attack. For a basic to intermediate level, these basic things are very much. And just practice all the commands, whichever you have seen here. You all will be getting a recorded session of this video, so you can further go through that and just keep learning. Okay, so hope you all enjoy the session, and bye bye. Have a nice day. We have continued for 1 hour and 36 minutes. So you all have given that much time is also more than enough. Okay, so just practice all the commands, whatever you have get here. I will try to provide some cheat sheet on Nmap also that will be helping you to increase your efficiency while learning all these things. And don't try to remember all the command. Whenever you put Nmap hyphen help, you will be getting a complete command list. That's why I have discussed the first scenario, like how to inject any command and how to make your any command line. So that's how you will be doing great. So I will be providing you a cheat sheet for that, but till now you can learn on your own also, and try to watch a recorded session again on a 2x speed. That will be increasing your efficiency also again. Okay, hope this session will help you a lot while while going through nmap series. Okay, bye bye. Yes, 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 I know. Yes, yes. Tomorrow we will be trying to have. But tomorrow is a Saturday. We will be trying to have a session from 5 to 7 p.m. tomorrow also on a Metasploit. Like tomorrow, we will try to finish Metasploit in one day. The session may be for 3 hours. Metasploit is little bigger tool than this Nmap, but we'll try to finish Nmap Metasploit again tomorrow. Okay. So I'm upload yes, yes, I'm uploading this recording on YouTube, so you can also watch recorded session from there. And till now, only my YouTube subscriber are only those who are enrolled into the course. But today I will I can post this video in a group, so I can increase my few subscriber also. Like at least 1 to 2,000 I will be getting subscribers. After that, I will be not posting any videos there. Okay. No, no, I will be posting videos, but after that, I will be recording a separate videos for YouTube. But right now, it's not possible for me to take a classes for around 6 to 7 hours every day and then record for YouTube videos. That's a tough task for me right now because time is limited for everyone. We don't have 48 hours to do with. So that's the issue right now. Okay. Yeah. So hope you all have enjoyed this session. If you have any issues, feel free to text me on a WhatsApp. I will be trying to reply you and answer you. And if you face any issues by running the command, just share me the screenshot of that on my WhatsApp. I will try to help you out also. Don't worry. Sure. So bye bye. Bye bye.